Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets Puerto Los Cabos Golf and Spa Resort. This is a beautiful resort, and I love the room category that we're in right now. This is one of their master suites. This particular one is a swim out, which is a double bonus for me, and in addition to it, it is an ocean view. Let me show you what it's all about. So on my far right, you'll see that right here you have the number 2 bathroom. So it's just a second bathroom here. You've got a small sink, perfect for what it's needed for. And a door, my wife appreciates that. Continuing along, you have a dining room table. What I love about this is it's perfect if you're having friends over. Oftentimes you get a lot of groups and weddings at this resort. Your friends can come over, maybe play a game of cards or something fun here. And you can also take advantage of that 24-hour room service menu and have breakfast. I oftentimes like to have breakfast in my room. Down here, I wanted to point out that you have your glassware, you also have your ice bucket, and then underneath here, you're gonna have your fully stocked mini fridge. Now this is a preferred club room, all the master suites are, so you're gonna get some upgraded amenities in there, including some extra snacks. It's fully stocked upon arrival, and they're gonna replenish those drinks for you as often as you like throughout your stay, every single day. Right next to the door is your makeup room and do not disturb. I love that you can just click the button there. You don't have to worry about heading outside, putting something on the door that oftentimes falls off. You're also gonna have your master light switches, the first of the fan controls that controls that one, and then also a temperature control. There's 2 separate temperature controls in here, and I think, well, being with my wife for 17 years, we love having that where we can each have our own space, our own temperature, but then we can come together and celebrate on vacation. Right here, you've got your couch looking out at the pool and the ocean view. And as I continue along, you're gonna have more of the cups underneath here because you have that Nespresso maker. This is one of those preferred club amenities as well. You've got the Nespresso box there. They're gonna replenish those pods for you every single day. I start my day at home with it, so I love that they have those for me here as well. You've got your large flat panel TV that in addition to being a television, it also has the full program for activities throughout the resort, and you can also access the room service menu. Tucked just behind here, you have a US plug and 2 USBs, 2 more US plugs on the lamp right there. You've got your writing desk, and it's perfect to set up as a charging station as well. I know Taylor appreciates that, trying to charge all of our camera gear. Over in the corner, this is made for me. You have a really large chaise lounger. I'm gonna be propped up there shortly to celebrate a wonderful day of filming. As we head into the bedroom and bathroom, I just wanted to point out that this does close off completely. That's perfect if maybe one spouse or one friend wants to go to bed early, the other wants to watch TV. It's just a really good balance right there. Let's head into the master bathroom. You see you have 2 chairs here, perfect to sit and get ready. And then as soon as you come in, you see that it is a great size. You have a massive double vanity. Any married couple is always going to appreciate that. On the vanity, you've got your tissues, you have your hair dryer right there, you have your upgraded amenities, another one of those preferred club upgrades just in front here, and the magnifying mirror. One of my favorite features is the incense. My wife and I celebrated our honeymoon at Secrets nearly a dozen years ago, actually more than a dozen years ago. And what I love is every time we come back and you light the incense, you get that aroma that comes back and the memories just keep flooding back. Over here, you're gonna have the toilet. Shut that door. Once again, doors are a great thing. And here is the large walk-in closet. You're gonna have hanging space all the way down here and over as well. You can get more hangers upon request. You have your iron and ironing board, your scale, which I avoid at all costs. You're gonna have your slippers and your robe. Now, we love the spa here. In fact, Taylor and I both did the hydrotherapy circuit and it was fantastic. I highly recommend that you check that out while you're here. But if you want to see all of the spaces of the resort, including the spa before you arrive, make sure you check out our full resort tour where I walk around the property, all the restaurants, all the spaces, and describe them. Finally, you have your safe right here, big enough for a laptop, which is a great touch. Now you'll see the large jacuzzi soaking tub, big enough even for me, and heading on into the massive shower. Plenty of room for 2 in here. You've got your shower wand. You also have your rainforest shower head, and I like that it's set really high up. You get a fantastic waterfall feature, and here's a huge bench, and then of course your soaps and shampoos. Now we're inside the master bedroom where the magic happens, and next to the bed, you've got this US plug. I always bring an extra USB splitter, that way I can plug it in and charge all of my devices. You've got your phone and your remote control, light switches, and tucked just behind is the fan controls. I really appreciate that they have a fan. I like to open up the doors, close the screens, have the fan on, and get a wonderful breeze coming through here. Now they also have the temperature controls right next to the bed, which is a fantastic feature because I know my wife is gonna crank it up before we go to bed, and as soon as she falls asleep, I'm gonna crank it right on back down, and I don't even have to leave the bed. You see that this is a full king-size bed. You can order more pillows as well. They'll deliver them for you. You have this bench seat at the end, perfect to get ready, and a little bit of storage tucked just underneath. You've got your second flat panel TV, and then over on the side of the bed here, you've got a plug underneath. You also have a light switch, and I wanted to point out this great tablet feature. So this is gonna be in your room, and of course, you can access all the hotel information, services, the directory. You can also see the spa menu, like we were talking about earlier, and one of my favorite features is you can order room service right on here. I know every time I call room service, my wife changes her mind 3 or 4 times, I change my mind, we confuse the person. That way we just submit the order, it's gonna be delivered directly to the room. Now let's head out to the large veranda. I like that you can tuck these away, push all the way back, open up the screens, and then you can get that nice breeze coming right on through. Now this is a huge balcony. It actually goes all the way around the corner here and then all the way down to the end. You've got 2 chairs and a table right here. It's the perfect place for a cup of coffee in the morning or maybe for a cocktail later in the afternoon or taking advantage of that complimentary 24-hour room service menu. Continuing on, you have 2 loungers and another chair as well. But what this space is all about is this beautiful pool right here. I love a swim up because any time of the day you can hop in, cool off, maybe in the afternoon, maybe you want to hop in the morning or the evening, but you don't have to worry about getting ready, going down to the pool. You just hop on in, do a cannonball, and you're good to go. They have a nice narrow shelf here as well. If you want to put your chair right in, you can put your feet in the water. Now, I talked a little bit about the Preferred Club amenities inside the room, but in addition to that, you're gonna get several other that are really fantastic. The first is the Preferred Club Lounge, where they're gonna whisk you right past the lobby into the Preferred Club Lounge. The concierge is gonna check you in, have a nice drink ready for you, and then they're gonna take care of your needs throughout your stay, both on-site and off-site. You can also use the lounge throughout your entire stay. It's a fantastic space, also on our full resort tour. But in addition to that, it has a upgraded bar menu, and they even have Captain Morgan, which is gonna make my dad really, really happy. Now, another fantastic feature is the Preferred Club only pool. It's set all the way around Oceana Restaurant. It's tiered and it's infinity edge, so it's absolutely gorgeous. But once again, just for Preferred Club members. And the final one I wanted to point out is that Oceana is a seafood restaurant in the evening, but during the morning for breakfast, it is Preferred Club only. You can get that great a la carte breakfast with the incredible views. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at Dreams or Secrets, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with them, and we know that we can help craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, and your family at an incredible value.